Immersed in the quest for purpose, it may seem like a daunting expedition, yet it's a voyage worth undertaking. The inception lies in the realization that purpose isn't an external treasure to be unearthed, but a gem to be polished from within. Ponder upon your unique strengths, values, and passions. Recognize what sparks joy and fulfillment in you and what you naturally outshine in. The self-recognition becomes a compass, directing you towards your purpose. Now, envision utilizing your strengths and passions to cast a positive ripple in the world, be it through your profession, relationships, or local engagement. Purpose often sprouts from contributing to a cause bigger than oneself. Bear in mind, the search for purpose isn't a flash of insight, but a gradual process. It's perfectly fine to traverse different routes, gamble on chances, and accept failures as stepping stones. Each encounter provides precious insights that mold and refine your purpose. Finally, keep your doors open for the unpredicted. At times, purpose peeks through the most unanticipated situations or affiliations. Have faith in the journey and stay receptive to fresh opportunities. In the grand scheme of things, finding purpose boils down to aligning your deeds with your genuine self and creating a significant impact. Embrace this expedition, and sooner than you realize, you'll unearth that your purpose has been residing within you all this while. Do remember to like and subscribe to our channel, Purposeful You, for more insights.